Good afternoon, folks. Mike Wells, your World Explorer. Today's June 30th, 2022, and what we're looking at right now is the Seminole pumpkin. Looks like only one seed has sprouted out of that batch this go around. What you're looking at is lasagna layered soil with black walnut hull powder, and we're trying to fight the root knot nematode and keep this Seminole pumpkin alive. Let's go look at our other control group. Okay, here we have a semi-shady location. However, we've inoculated the soil with beneficial bacteria and beneficial fungi. Hopefully, those two have a positive impact on the soil and can keep the root knot nematodes at bay. So we see here only 2 sprouts of the Seminole pumpkin have successfully come up. That's good, because when these things get going, they really get going. So what we're going to do here is observe the growth of these and whether or not the root knot nematode affects them and our controls are successful. So stay tuned and I'll keep you updated on the progress of these control groups regarding the Seminole pumpkin, and thanks for watching. Have a good day.